for folks who are new, AI Studio is our home for builders to get started with the latest model. So you can chat with the model, get an API key, and also vibe code with our latest models, which is where we'll be spending time today. So in the Build tab of AIS, you can go from idea to working application. And we also have this new gallery that we put together, a ton of cool examples from the 3 launch that we think showcase what's super special about this model. So beautiful landing pages, model's very good at web design, which Amar will be showing some examples of. And we're super proud of the work to get 3D simulations and 3D worlds and games. So we have a bunch of examples there as well, and some internet favorites, including, do you want?
I don't know if you all have seen the bouncing ball one, but I built this.
Yeah,
this was my sort of AGI moment for Gemini 3. I feel like the ball literally used to not stay in, and I was like, how do we 10x make that more complicated? And I feel like I love that example.
Yeah, it's super cool. And another cool example from Amar is this city simulation game where you can go and add roads to your cities, watch the interactions happen. You also have, TPUs are burning, but in the bottom right, you'll get tasks from Gemini. And then because the TPUs are burning, what's cool about these gallery apps in AI Studio is you can also remix them with your own ideas. So we can always use more data centers. So I'm going to shoot off a prompt to add data centers to my city. And hopefully we'll get more TPUs in a few minutes. But in the meantime, I'll hand it off to Amar.